Welcome home to 3633 Oak Ridge Road. This beautiful all-brick ranch has a full basement and sits on over 4.6 acres. There is also a possibility to purchase an adjoining 2.1 acres. This walkway leads to the front entry and is lined with mature landscaping. The open floor plan has a combination living and dining room. Here is another view of the living room facing the front door. And here is a closer view of the dining area. The large kitchen has all appliances and abundance of cabinet and counter space. The breakfast area is currently being used as a sitting room. There is also a huge built-in pantry in the breezeway. Take a look at the oversized custom deck. It is great for outdoor entertaining. And here is a second deck that is just off at the utility room. The large master bedroom has a ceiling fan. And the master bath has a combination tub and shower. The second bedroom also has a ceiling fan. Here is a picture of the third bedroom that is currently being used as an office. This full hall bath is shared by the secondary bedrooms. This home also has a full basement with a wood stove. This area has been roughed in for a third bathroom. And a fourth bedroom or office area has also been framed. There is plenty of storage in this cedar-lined closet. This view of the back of the house shows the two back decks. All of your garden and lawn equipment can stay in the separate barn or storage building. There is also a separate garage or workshop. This could be your view from the back deck. There are plenty of mature trees. Here is a closer look at more of the mature landscaping and covered front porch.